Good morning, children. Hi, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, in our previous class, we saw about man made materials such as plastic, glass, and steel. Today, in this class, we are going to see about man made things. Man made things are not natural, they are developed by the human. For examples, toys, shelf, door, cot, chair, swing, and many more. Rubber. Children, it is made from the milky substance called sap of the rubber tree. Rubber is elastic. Rubber bands made from it. Children, it is also waterproof. Hand gloves made from it. Man-made things from rubber are slipper, tire, eraser, mat, cycle tube and ball. Fiber. Children, fiber is a material obtained from plants and animals. Cotton, jute and coir are the fibers get from plants. Children, wool and silk are the fibers obtained from animals. Cotton. Children, it is soft and absorb water. It is obtained from cotton plants. We can make things like butts, pillows, towels, shirts, and many more things from it. Jute. Children, it is a long, shiny, and strong fiber. It is obtained from jute plant. Children, we can make carpets, mats, bags, and sacks. Coir. Children, it is fiber from coconut trees. We can make ropes, mats, and brushes from it. Silk. Silk is obtained from cocoon of silkworm. We make many things like bags, mats, saris, and skirts. Children, silk thread is a strong material, so it is used in making parachutes. Wool. We get wool from animals like sheep. It keeps us warm. We make many things like sweaters, caps, socks, gloves, shawls from it. Leather. Children, we get leather from animals. It is flexible. We can make bags, shoes, belts, and watch straps from it. Clay. Children, clay is a natural material. It is a type of soil. When it is mixed with water, it becomes soft. It hardens as it dries. So pots and other things can be made from it. Children, a potter uses potter's wheel to make clay pots. Children, we can also make lamps, clay stoves, roof tiles, bowls from clay. Metals. Children, metals or materials get from metal ores. Example: gold, silver, iron and copper. Children, metals are strong, hard and shiny. Metals can be shaped into any form, from small paper clips to aeroplane. Man-made things from metals are ornaments, gates and coins, etc. Children, steel vessels, aluminum vessels and copper vessels are made from it. Children, that's all about man-made things. Children, our first lesson, materials around us, is over. Shall we recap the whole lesson? Name of the lesson is materials around us. Children, in our daily life, we use many kinds of materials. There are 3 headings: natural sources of materials, man-made materials and man-made things. First one, natural sources. Natural sources of materials are plants, animals, rocks and soil. From plants we get wood, cotton, coir, coconut frond, rubber and jute. From animals we get leather, wool and silk. From rocks and soil we get metal ores and clay. Next one, man-made materials. Man-made materials are plastic, glass and steel. Third one, man-made things. Man-made things are not natural. They are developed by the humans. Examples: toys, shelf, door, cart, chair, swing and many more. Children, I hope you all understood the class. Thank you children. Take care.